Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys what you need to do in order to change your TikTok region, country, location. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you're on a computer or PC, you would need to use a VPN in order to do that. If you're on an iPhone or Android, you have to change the region settings within your phone, and you have to look up a tutorial regarding that specifically on your particular device. You can search my channel for those content videos as well. Unfortunately, TikTok does not give you a way to actually change the region. You can change the language display of TikTok, but you can't actually change what region you're in. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.